Painting where exterior electrical fixtures sit requires precise protection and respect for code clearances to keep both safety and finish intact. Start by assessing each fixture and its mounting method so you can plan removal or masking before you begin. If a fixture can be removed, shut power at the circuit breaker and confirm it is off with a non-contact tester. Then take off the fixture and label any wires or parts so reinstallation is straightforward. Where removal is not possible, create a snug mask using low-tack painter's tape and thin foam or plastic sheeting so paint cannot intrude into the housing. Press tape to the wall around the box, then seal with a small bead of removable caulk if gaps remain. Never paint over gaskets, moving parts, or lens seals, because that can compromise weatherproofing and create electrical hazards. Instead, clean those surfaces and mask them separately. Keep junction boxes and access panels free of paint so they remain removable. If paint has started to close a threaded cover, gently score and remove the excess before it cures. Choose wet-rated or weather-rated fixtures for areas where spray or heavy exposure is likely, and use paints and primers compatible with exterior metal, plastic, or glass so adhesion and thermal performance remain stable. Common mistakes include painting a fixture in place without disconnecting power, which risks short circuits and ruins the finish. The fix is to either remove fixtures safely or at minimum, shut the circuit off and cover wiring with secure masking before spraying. Another frequent error is allowing paint to seal a gasket or hinge so it no longer moves or seals. Avoid this by masking gaskets and testing operation before paint cures. People also often block access to junction boxes by painting them closed or over screws. Keep boxes and screws clean of paint and leave covers removable or reinstall with new exterior rated screws if needed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and browse community discussions about projects like exterior fixture protection. We use our community forum so members can share tips, ask questions, and find work for contractors who want jobs in exterior painting and electrical fixture care.